just about seconds away from beginning. There we go then. Shah Afridi has the ball. Lahore Qalandars have won the toss and have decided to bowl. Yeah, some nice shape away from the left-handers off stump. That's gone all right. That is beautifully timed, sweetly done. Over long off for a big six. That's gone for another 4. Oh, it's been a blistering start in this over.
That's the best version of what are you doing from Alan Wilkins. 50 for James Vince. He's been batting superbly.
It's gone big. That's a big one. That is 1,000 sixes in the HBL PSL.
And there we go, and it continues. Straight after the strategic timeout, wasting no time is James Vince.
Any wicket for Multan Sultans, and that's big. That's out of there. Slow ball, picked off. It's a miss hit. It is a miss hit. Will this be taken? That is an outstanding catch. Be back in the game. Oh, big shot that is. That's glorious. By that 6, it's a 50 for Umar Sadiq as well. What a knock. Big shot down the ground. That's muscle for 6. It's Shoaib Malik who smoked one over mid-wicket. Yeah, it goes downtown. It's a miscue. This should be taken. Easily done. Another chance, another opportunity. Is this taken? It is a deep square leg.
Andre Russell hasn't got enough underneath it. The bowler wants it. The bowler takes it. Lamachani looking for the Yorker. Well bowled. Hits the stumps. He's done well. Gone straight up in the air. Who wants it? The bowler's underneath it. Haris Rauf takes it.
.05 RPO, and they need to go at 100 RPM. 100. Off and running into the gap. That's beautifully placed. Enough legs, and that makes it to the fence as well. So an auspicious start from the left-hander. Andre Russell is lining it up. Takes it comfortably.
This time he stays still, and he has fatted this for 6. Oh, but a cheek indeed. It's gone all the way.
I think we are right on track so far. Yeah, just we have got a 4 right now. Fakar, both are playing really good so far, and I think we're going to chase it down very good.
Oh, and he's got a top edge. Has he got enough of it? Oh, you betcha.
7th boundary. He might want to add another one. No, he finds the man out in the deep. Bowled him. Junaid Khan, it's a double strike. It's gone up in the air. This is not good. The keeper takes it, and Junaid Khan makes it 3. Now then, Visa.
Dancing shoes on, the long handles there. And again. Don't bother moving, DW. No, up and over. There you go. If you miss, freebie. Oh, stunning. Because the night belongs to us.
And Andre Russell gets hammered. That's gone up in the air. That's gone for 6 again. Eddie de Villiers.